And welcome a few of this new video number 4 of our series Flutter 2.5 with extra features. Thank you for watching my channel. I do hope you support me by subscribing to my channel, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you could get the latest videos. This is going to be a very short video, how to implement the multi-language, multi-locale in each and every widget, in each and every page. So let's see here in the home page. This is the design of the home page. This is a app bar. In this app bar there is a text, which is this one. This text says home. So what we do is that we get the key which is available in the English JSON file. This is the key which contains value of home as you see it in here. So the key .tr.toString. That's it. That's how you apply the multi-language in your widget. Of course, in Arabic, in the other language, in the other locale, the same key would be here with the translation to that language. Let's take the drawer, for instance. Let's see the drawer. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go back to the login, for instance. This is the login. The key, what is the key of this login text? It's called drawer login, which we take it from here, from the JSON file of the English. Drawer login, which consists of a value login, as we shown in here. So in the drawer login.tr.toString, the same thing will goes for the settings, drawer settings.tr.toString, which is available in here. Drawer settings, the same thing, the key and the value, and likewise within the Arabic or in the other language you wish to use. So that's how you implement the multi-languages in each and every widget. As I have said, this was a very short video, so thank you for watching and goodbye.